Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an Hotmail account on your PC. Now without further ado, let's start right into the video. To create an Hotmail account, firstly you need to open your preferred browser. As I have preferred to open Google Chrome. On the search bar, click over there and search hotmail.com. And here we are redirected to Microsoft Outlook homepage. To create an account on Hotmail, you will be required to click on Create Free Account. Now to create an account, you will be required to enter your new email address and after that click on Next. Here you will be required to create your new password. Then after that click on Next. Here you will be required to enter your first name and last name. Then after that click on Next. You will be required to enter your country or region, then date of birth, then click on Next. To verify you are not a robot, you need to solve the puzzle, then click on Next. And here we are successfully verified. If you want to stay logged in, then click on Yes. And here you can see we have successfully created an account on Hotmail from our PC. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.